Hello, aspirants. Welcome to Agrinova. Let me ask you something. When you look at UPSC syllabus or other competitive exams, doesn't agriculture often look like that one section which is important but not easy to tackle? Isn't it? The topics are too scattered, and current affairs feel like endless, and static part is too bulky. I know the struggle, and that's exactly why this platform was created. So, who am I? And what this is channel about? Just like any other channels, here I introduce my Agrinova platform. So I have been on this exam journey myself. While preparing, I realized that agriculture, whether it is in economics, GS paper 3, agri economics, optional subjects, or current affairs, wasn't given the structured attention it deserved. Most resources either too academic, too lengthy, or not updated with the latest exam trends. That's why the idea of Agrinova came to life, a channel where agriculture meets aspiration. My aim is to bridge the gap between what you study and what the exam really demands, through cultivating knowledge and harvesting success. So, the major problem student faces in this journey, let's be honest, most aspiration face three challenges in agriculture: that vast syllabus, scattered resources, one book here, one PDF there, and endless notes. Static concepts are not connected with the current. Knowing the fact is one thing, writing a high quality answer is another problem. And these challenges reduce confidence and demotivates us during the preparation. Agrinova is here to solve this problem in a simple and focused way. What Agrinova offers? Agrinova simplifies agriculture with current affair interlinking with static policies, schemes, reports published by government. Everything explained in simple language with exam perspective. Not only just answers, but also a response, what keywords to use and how to link with current examples. Here, the Agrinova provides the solution for quick mind maps for quick revision. For example, if a topic of irrigation, we will cover traditional method government scheme like PMSKY and other current water crisis issues in just a single or a half page through short video, reels, or infographics or mind maps. You will be able to revise important facts in second before exam. In short, whether you are preparing for UPSC, PCS, ICAR, other etc. exams, Agrinova will be one-stop destination. So what's different about Agrinova? Here, simplicity and exam focus. Many times resources give too much theory or they don't link with the demand of the exam. At Agrinova, every piece of content will have two checks. Is it exam relevant? And is it easy to understand? Also, I will keep the approach bilingual. So, mix of Hindi and English wherever needed so that it feels comfortable for maximum aspirants. My goal is not to overload you with information, but to keep you up with the knowledge you can actually use in exam hall. So, Agrinova is not just about covering a subject, it's about a building community. At the end of the day, success in exam is not just about the hard work, it's smart preparation. And Agrinova is here to make up preparation smarter. So friends, this is just the beginning. If agriculture is part of your exam journey, then the channel is made for you. Here we cultivate knowledge and harvest success together. Subscribe to the channel on YouTube, follow us on Instagram for quick daily updates, and join the growing community of serious aspirants. Thank you for your time, and remember, knowledge is the seed, success is the harvest. Let's start the journey today.